How to delete your WhatsApp account permanently. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to permanently delete your WhatsApp account in just few steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on a device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now on Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to settings. If you are using an iPhone, tap settings at the bottom right corner. Now tap on account. This is where you manage your privacy and account options. At the bottom, select delete my account. This will remove your profile, chat history and backups. Enter the phone number linked to your WhatsApp account including the control code, and then tap delete my account again to confirm. Remember, the action is permanent. All your data will be erased and you will be removed from any WhatsApp groups. And that's it. This is how you permanently delete your WhatsApp account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.